Arcade1up protection. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to do a little bit of modding or updating my Arcade1up Street Fighter cabinet, because I got the first generations and these came without protection plate. So I've sent Arcade1up an email asking if they can send me some, and they did very fast. So thanks, and let's unbox. Alright, let's open this package up. I'm very curious, how did they pack it up? Because so is the way we're going to receive those protection plates. Quantity 2, yes, very nice. I have 2 Arcade1ups. And let's see. This is going to be very interesting because one of my Arcade1up is modified, so I am curious if it's even possible to use this protection plate with the modified system. That would be very nice. Alright, let's see. Alright, these come with art included. Oh, that is very nice. So one of these is going to get modified, and I'm going to show you, and I hope it works, because I really love to try this plate on with my modified buttons. Alright, this is what we're going to get. Very nice, good service Arcade1up, and let's... So, to be clear about it, it's an loose art, so this is very nice. So if you want to get damage, you can peel it off and use the new one. In my case, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to use the protection plate. I'm going to start with the modified version, simply because it's the last time that I need to open it up. Very curious that I can make the holes bigger so they fit the little buttons. That would be very nice. I need this protection plate. I know for sure I'm going to play it for a long time. It's going to peel off and it look hideous. Alright, let's move to 4 screws. Do I have a flat screwdriver? Wicked! Yoo-hoo! Oh man, I don't have a flat screwdriver for the Windows 6! So if you look at this plate, it falls over the art itself. The space here is pretty damn wide, but oh man, I need to gently making these round because they are fitting, of course, for the original casing. Alright, we're going to check it out if I can do something about this. Alright, so I used a little power tool to make some more room for the buttons on top, because of course I have changed them out. So that's the only thing I needed to do. I'm very happy that I only changed these 2 buttons and didn't drill some extra holes, otherwise I had a big problem. And as you can see, they fit perfectly. I really love it. Very happy Arcade1up sent me some with protection plates. And yep, perfect. Fits like an original one. We're going to screw it together. And this part is going to be very gentle. Alright, everything is connected like it should be. I can place the plate on the right position. Press it a little bit, put this one in position. Okay, and here comes the part that you need to be very gentle about, because with the screws you're going to put the plate, the protection plate, on the control panel. And if you tighten up these screws too much, you're going to break it. You're going to crack it. I'm thinking of putting a little ring under it, so for dividing the pressure, but I don't think it looks very nice, so I'm going to do it like Arcade1up has it in mind. Alright. Oh, be gentle, be gentle, be gentle, Wicked, be gentle. Alright, it's in position. So here you can see the difference with the screw. Maybe you can use longer screws, but everything is fit perfectly. Again, be very gentle. This is the final result. I'm going to give you a little overview with and without the acrylic. and I must say I really like it. There is still a little bit of space here, so if you're eating or drinking with your cabinet, I cannot recommend it because everything is going to fall between this little gap, getting still on the plate itself or the control panel. So there's a little bit of bummer, but I think if you'll be very gentle, it's not going to be a big of a deal. So a small overview of the one with the acrylic. It's laying on top. So this is what we're going to get. This is going to be the final result. So a little shout out to Arcade1up. They nicely sent me 2 of the acrylic paint, and the customer service very fast responding, very happy with it. So I hope you really like this update video. I just wanted to show you the difference, how you need to put it on your Arcade1up. And so this means this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. Bye bye.